Today we're going to talk about a code that can cause serious problems in your car and even leave you stranded on the road, code P0335. The P0335 code indicates a problem with the crankshaft position sensor. This sensor is critical because it informs the car's computer about the speed and exact position of the crankshaft, crucial information for ignition and fuel injection. When this code appears, it means the sensor signal is erratic or not detected. The symptoms are very clear. The check engine light appears, the car may not start, stall while driving, or have a very rough idle. What to do if it appears? If the P0335 appears, don't attempt to drive. The most common cause is a faulty CKP sensor. Visually inspect the sensor and its wiring for damage, corrosion, or dirt. Sometimes dirt or metal particles can interfere with its reading. Also, check the sensor wiring for broken wires or loose connections. In many cases, replacing the CKP sensor is the solution. It's crucial not to ignore the P0335 code. A faulty CKP sensor will not only leave you stranded at the worst possible time, but it can also lead to serious engine damage if the computer can't properly synchronize the spark and fuel injection. This could result in extremely costly repairs. Address this problem immediately to avoid further problems.